Cutting instructions. Pocket door frame header. Pocket door frame header for 2 foot 6 inch and 3 foot wide pocket doors are marked for cutting to shorter standard door widths. 1. Remove adjustable end bracket. 2. At desired door size marking, cut wood header only. 3. Turn header over, then cut back 1 3/8 inch shorter than header. 4. Replace adjustable end bracket on new cut end of header. 5. Cut header trim board only at proper mark. Remove cut-off end and discard. 6. Turn header and cut other side.